children, in this video we are going to discuss about the 10th standard maths chapter 1 arithmetic progressions, third main and fourth main of exercise 1.1. Let us see the question. For the following APs, AP mean arithmetic progression. For the following APs, write the first term and common difference. They have given the APs, we have to write first term A and common difference D. The first one is 3, 1, minus 1 and minus 3. Here 3 is, this is the first term, second term, third term and fourth term. The first term they have given A equal to first term. Let us write first term. A equal to, the first term is 3 and the common difference. We have to find the common difference. How can we find the common difference? We know that the common difference is obtained by subtracting A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. Means we have to subtract a number, a term by its preceding term, we get the common difference. Usually we use D equal to A2 minus A1 for all the examples. So let us write here D equal to A2 minus A1 equal to A2 is 1, second term is 1 minus first term is 3. After subtracting we get minus 2. So common difference D is equal to minus 2 and the first term A is equal to plus 3. So let us see the second example, second question. The second arithmetic progression is minus 5, minus 1, 3 and 7. Here the first term A is equal to minus 5. Now let us find the common difference. Common difference D equal to, D is A2 minus A1. Here A2 second term is minus 1 minus first term is minus 5. We have to put the bracket because here we cannot write the signs. Minus sign side by side, we have to separate them by brackets. Usually children will do some mistakes in these steps. They will write minus 1 minus 5. You cannot write like this because A2 minus A1, A2 is minus 1 minus A1 is minus 5. So we have to put a bracket and write the minus 5. Now here minus into minus is plus, equal to minus 1 plus 5. After subtracting we get plus 4. So the common difference D equal to plus 4 for the second arithmetic progression. Now let us see the third one. Here they have given the arithmetic progression as 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3 and 13 by 3. Here the first term A is equal to, first term A is equal to 1 by 3. Now let us find the common difference. Common difference D equal to, now we have to subtract A2 minus A1. Here the second term is 5 by 3 minus first term is 1 by 3. Since they are fractions, we have to take the LCM. LCM for the denominators is plus 3. So here 5 minus 1 which is equal to 4 by 3. So the common difference is 4 by 3. D equal to 4 by 3. Now let us see the fourth question. Fourth arithmetic progression 1.7, 2.8, 3.9. Here also the first term A is equal to 0.5. 0.6. Now the common difference D equal to, we have to subtract A2 and A1. So A2 minus A1, A2 is second term is 1.7 minus first term is 0.6. We have to subtract these two numbers. So 1.7 minus 0.6 is 7 minus 6, we get 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. So the common difference is 1.1. Here also 2.8 minus 1.7, we get the same difference. 3.9 minus 2, we get the same difference because this is in AP. Now let us see the fourth main of this exercise. In the fourth main, which of the following are APs? They have given some set of numbers. We have to identify the APs. Say there are some APs and there are some not AP set of numbers. So we have to identify the APs. If they form an AP, we have to find common difference. These set of numbers, we have to identify the AP. If they form an AP, we have to find the common difference and also write the next three terms. We have to, if they form an AP, then only we have to write the next three terms. Let us see the first one. First question is 2, 4, 8. If it is in AP, they will have the common difference. So let us find the common difference. First one, this is the term, second term, third term, fourth term. Now let us see whether the difference is common or not. A2 minus A1 equal to, A2 is, second term is 4 minus first term is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Again A3 minus A2 equal to, third term is 8 minus second term is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Here you can clearly see that the difference is not same. They are not equal. So hence this set of numbers, this list of numbers does not form an AP. Okay, let us see the list of numbers. The second one is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, etc. First let us find whether these set of numbers form an AP or not. For that we have to find the common differences of the consequent numbers. A2 minus A1 equal to, A2 is 5 by 2 minus A1 is 2. Since they are fractions, we have to take the LCM. Here denominator is 1. So the LCM for the denominators is 2. Here we have to multiply 1 by 2. So 2 2s are 4 we get. This number will be 5 minus 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1 by 2. So the first two, the difference of first two terms is 1 by 2. Now A3 minus A2 equal to, the third term is 3 minus second term is 5 by 2 equal to, here also they are fractions, we have to take the LCM. Here the LCM will be 2 and we have to multiply these two numerator and denominator by 2. So the LCM is 2. This is 3 2s are 6 minus 5. Again we get 1 by 2. Now we have to find the next one, A4 minus A3. Fourth term is 7 by 2 minus third term is 3. Here also denominator is 1. We have to take the LCM as 2. Here multiply by 2 and also 3 2s are 6 we get. This number will be 7 minus 3 2s are 6. Again we get half. Here you can clearly observe that the difference is common for all the consequent numbers. So therefore given set of numbers form an AP. Now in the question they have said that if they form an AP we have to find the common difference. So therefore common difference D will be equal to, here we have found the common difference as 1 by 2. So D will be equal to 1 by 2. Again they have asked to write the next three numbers. Therefore next three terms are, here we have to add half to 7 by 2 to get the next three numbers. Here the fourth term is 7 by 2. We have to add 1 by 2 to the fourth term to get the next term. Here LCM is 2. 7 plus 1 is 8. let us keep 8 by 2 as it is. Don't cancel the numerator and denominator. Again add 1 by 2 to 8 by 2. 8 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will be equal to, here LCM is 2, 8 plus 1 is 9. Again 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to 10 by 2. So here we can write the next term, the fifth term as 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. This fifth term is 4 and the next term is 9 by 2. Here also 2 ones are 2 fives are 10. The next term is 10. We can write the next terms, next 3 terms. Now let us see the third one. The third list of numbers is minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2 and minus 7.2, etc. First let us identify whether it forms an AP or not. For that, A2 minus A1 will be equal to, A2 second term is minus 3.2 minus first term is minus 1.2. Here we have minus sign, so we have to put the bracket minus 1.2. First multiply the bracket, minus into minus we get plus, equal to minus 3.2 plus 1.2. Here these two numbers have the opposite sign, so we need to subtract 3.2 minus 3.2 minus 1.2, we get 2 minus 2 is 0, 0.3 minus 1 is 2. So the common difference here we are getting, since the bigger number is having the negative sign, we get negative 2. Now find the A3 minus A2. The third term is minus 5.2 minus second term is minus 3.2. Don't forget to put the brackets because we cannot write the minus sign as it is directly. Okay, here first multiply the bracket, minus signs, this is minus 5.2, minus into minus plus 3.2 equal to, again we have to subtract these two because they are having the opposite sign. 5.2 minus 3.2, 2 minus 2 is 0, 0.3 minus 5 minus 3 is 2. Since bigger number is having the minus sign, we get minus 2. Again check for the next one. A4 minus A3 will be equal to, fourth term is minus 7.2 minus third term is minus 5.2. Here also minus into minus plus we get, this is minus 7.2 minus into minus plus 5.2. Again we have to subtract 7.2 minus 5.2. 2 minus 2 is 0, 7 minus 5 is 2. Here the bigger number is having the minus sign, so minus 2. Here you can clearly see that the difference is common, same. So we can write that the given set of numbers, therefore given set of numbers form an AP. Again we have to write the common difference. If they form an AP, we have to write the common difference. Therefore common difference D equal to, the common difference is minus 2. Again we have to write the next 3 numbers, and also next 3 terms are, here we have to add, the fourth term is minus 7.2, we have to add 2 to minus 7.2, minus 7.2, we have to add minus 2.0. Here you have to remember that we have to write 2 below the units place. You cannot write the 2 below the decimal place because 2 is the unit number. So 7 below the 7 you have to write 2. Here both are having the same sign. We need to add minus 9.2 we get because the bigger number is having the minus sign. So the next term is, the next 3 terms are minus 9.2. Again we have to add 2 minus 2 to 9.2. Here again 2 plus 2, 9 plus 2 is 11, minus 11. The next term is minus 11.2. Again we have to add minus 2. Minus 2.0, we get 11 plus 2 is 13 minus 13.2 minus 13.2. Like this we can find the next 3 digits. Let us see the next question. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2, etc. First, let us identify whether it forms an AP or not. For that, A2 minus A1 equal to, second term is minus 6, this is minus, first term is minus 10. We have to put the bracket before writing the minus 10. Now, minus into minus we get plus, minus 6 plus 10. Here these numbers are having the opposite sign, so we need to subtract. Subtracting we get plus 4 because bigger number is having the plus, so we get plus 4. Again A3 minus A2 equal to, third term is minus 2 minus, second term is minus 6. Here minus into minus plus, minus 2 plus 6. Again we get the common difference as plus 4. Again we have to check the next one. A4 minus A3 equal to, fourth term is 2 minus, third term is minus 2. Here minus into minus plus, 2 plus 2 will be equal to plus 4 again. Here you can clearly observe that the difference is common. Hence, therefore, given list of numbers for an AP. And also the common difference. Therefore, common difference equal to, the common difference is D equal to plus 4. This is the common difference. And also next 3 terms. Next 3 terms are, the fourth term is 2. By adding 2 plus 4 we get, 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So the next 3 terms are 6, 10, 14. Like this you can write the next 3 terms. Now let us see the fifth one. Fifth list of number is 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, etc. First, let us find the difference. A2 minus A1. Here, second term is 3 plus root 2. 3 plus root 2 minus first term is 3. Here, plus 3 and minus 3 will get cancelled. The remaining number is root 2. Again, A3 minus A2. Third term is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus second term is 3 plus root 2. Here you cannot write directly 3 plus root 2 since we are having the minus sign. You have to put the bracket. Before subtracting we have to multiply these numbers with the minus sign equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. This is minus 3. Minus into plus minus we get root 2. Here also plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled. Here 2 root 2 minus 2. 2 root 2 means root 2 plus root 2. In this one we have to subtract 1 root 2. 1 root 2 gets cancelled. The remaining number will be root 2 equal to root 2. Again we have to check the next one. A4 minus A3 will be equal to, fourth term is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus third term is bracket 3 plus 2 root 2. First open the bracket by multiplying with minus sign equal to 3 plus 3 root 2. This is minus 3. Minus into plus minus 2 root 2. Here also plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled. Here we have 3 root 2. 3 root 2. In this one we have to subtract 2 root 2. After subtracting 2 root 2 we get 1 root 2. So equal to 1 root 2. Here you can clearly observe that the difference is common and it is equal to root 2. Hence the given list of numbers form an AP. Therefore, given list of numbers form an AP. And also the common difference is equal to root 2. And also we have to write the next three terms. Next three terms are here you can see that the second term is 3 plus 1 root 2. Next term is 3 plus 2 root 2. Next term is 3 plus 3 root 2. So the next term will be 3 plus 4 root 2. And after this, the next term is 3 plus 5 root 2. The next term is 3 plus 6 root 2. You can directly write the answer. The next three terms are 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2. Like this you can write the next three terms. Let us see the sixth one. Sixth one is 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.222, and so on. First let us find the difference. If the difference is common, then they will form the AP. A2 minus A1 equal to second term is 0.22 minus first term is 0.2. First let us subtract these two. 0.22 minus 0.2. Here 2 subtracting 2 with 0 we get 2. 2 minus 2 is 0.0. So the difference is 0.02. Again A3 minus A2 equal to third term is 0.222 minus second term is 0.2. First let us subtract 0.222 minus 0.2. Here 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0.0. So the difference is 0.002. Here you can clearly see that the difference is not common. So these list of numbers does not form an AP. Therefore, given list of numbers, given list of numbers does not form an AP. Okay, let us see the next one. Now the seventh one is 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12 and so on. First let us find the difference. A2 minus A1 equal to second term is minus 4 minus first term is 0. Since they are having the same sign, we have to add 4 plus 0 is 4 and the bigger number is having the minus sign, so we get minus 4. Again the next one, A3 minus A2 will be equal to third term is minus 8 minus second term is minus 4. You have to put the bracket, you have to remember. Okay, minus into minus plus minus 8 plus 4. Here they are having the opposite sign. We need to subtract 8 minus 4. Subtracting 8 and 4 we get 4 and the bigger number is having the negative sign, so we get negative 4. Again A4 minus A3 will be equal to fourth term is minus 12 minus third term is minus 8. Don't forget to write the bracket. Minus into minus plus we get minus 12 plus 8. Here also these two numbers are having the opposite sign. So after subtracting we get minus 4. Here you can clearly observe that the difference is common. Hence they form the AP. Therefore given list of numbers form an AP. And also common difference is equal to minus 4. D equal to minus 4. And also the next 3 terms. And also therefore next 3 terms of AP. Next 3 terms are, now we have to add minus 4 to the minus 12. Minus 12 add minus 4. We get, they are having the same sign, so we get minus 16. Again add minus 4, negative 4. Minus 16 minus 4 will be equal to minus 20. Again minus 20 add negative 4, we get minus 24. So the next 3 terms are minus 16, minus 20 and minus 24. Now let us see the next AP, next exam, next question. 8th one. 8th one is minus half, comma, minus half, comma, minus half, comma, minus half, etc. Here directly you can say that this forms an AP because we are adding 0 at each time. So this forms an AP. Let us find A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 equal to, second term is minus half, minus first term is minus half. Since they are having, it is having the negative sign, we have to put the bracket. Minus into minus plus. Minus half plus half will be equal to 0. Again A3 minus A2 will be equal to, third term is minus half, minus second term is minus 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 get cancelled and we get 0. And also the fourth one, A4 minus A3 will be equal to minus 1 by 2 minus bracket minus 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which get cancelled and we get 0. So the common difference is 0. By seeing the given list of number, you can directly say that these set of numbers form an AP because here the common difference is 0. Whenever the common difference is 0, all the terms will be equal, same numbers. If they are same numbers, they will form an arithmetic progression. So given list of numbers, given list of numbers form an AP. And also common difference is, common difference is equal to 0. And next 3 terms are, next 3 terms are same, 1 by 2, comma, 1 by 2, comma, 1 by 2. Now let us see the next one. The 9th one is 1, 3, 9, 27 and so on. First let us find the differences. A2 minus A1 equal to, A2 is 3 minus A1 is 1, which is equal to 2. Again A3 minus A2 equal to, third term is 9 minus second term is 3, which is equal to 6. Here the difference is not common, hence the given list of numbers does not form an AP. Therefore given list of numbers does not form an AP. Form an AP. Now let us find the next one. 10th one. 10th question is A, 2A, 3A, 4A and so on. Here clearly you can see that 2A minus A, 2A minus A is equal to 1A. If we subtract 1A from 2A, we get 1A, and also 3A minus 2A also equal to 1A. 4A minus 3A is also equal to 1A. Hence the given set of numbers form an AP. Therefore given set of numbers form an AP. And D equal to A, common difference D is equal to A, and next 3 terms are here. By seeing the AP, you can say that the next after 4A, the next term will be 5A, then 6A, then 7A. Now let us find the next one. 10th one is A square, A cube, A to the power 4 and so on. Here A2 minus A1 equal to, here A2 is A square minus A1, first term is A. We cannot subtract these two numbers because they are unlike terms. They are unlike. If they are like terms, then only we can subtract. In the previous answer, they are like terms. Here 2A minus A, so we can subtract and we will get A. But in the 11th set of numbers, here A square cannot be subtracted by A because they are unlike, so we cannot subtract. Again A3 minus A2 will be equal to, third term is A cube minus second term is A square. Here also we cannot subtract because they are unlike terms. Since the difference is not common, therefore given list of numbers, given set of numbers does not form AP. Does not form an AP. Now let us see the next one. Root 2, comma, root 8, comma, root 18, comma, root 32 and so on. Here we can write root 8 as, root 4 into 2. 4 is 2 square into 2. Here square root get cancelled, 2 will come outside the root, and here this 2 will have the root as it is. Means the first term is root 2, second term is 2 root 2. Similarly, third term is root 18. We can write root 18 as root 9 into 2. 9 is a square number, which is 3 square into 2. Here square root get cancelled, so 3 root 2. We can write root 18 as 3 root 2, comma, and also root 32. Root 32 is 16 twos are 32, which is equal to 4 square into 2, that is 4 root 2. So the next term as 4 root 2 and so on. First let us find the difference to say whether this forms an AP or not. A2 minus A1 equal to, second term is 2 root 2 minus first term is root 2. Here 2 root 2 are there. In the 2 root 2, if we subtract 1 root 2, we get 1 root 2. 2 root 2, root 2 are there. If we subtract 1, we get 1 root 2 will be remaining. Now A3 minus A2 equal to, third term is 3 root 2 minus second term is 2 root 2, which is equal to again root 2, because here 3 root 2 are there. In 3 root 2, if we subtract 2 root 2, the remaining will be root 2. Now A4 minus A2 equal to, fourth term is 4 root 2 minus third term is 3 root 2, we get 1 root 2. Here you can clearly see that the difference is common, hence the given set of numbers form an AP. Therefore given list of numbers form an AP. Now the common difference is D is equal to root 2, and also we have to write the next 3 terms. Next 3 terms of AP. Next 3 terms are, here you see we can write root 2 as root 2. This is root 4 into 2. This is root 9 into 2. This is root 16 into 2. 16 into 2. Here these are square numbers. The next number will be root. After 16, the next square number is 25. 25 into 2. Again the next number will be root 36 into 2. So the next numbers are, next number is root 25 into 2 will be equal to root 50. So the next number is, next term is root 50. The next one is root 36 into 2, which is equal to root 2 6 are 12, 2 3 is 6 plus 1 72, root 72. The next one is root, after 36 the next square number will be 49 into 2, root 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, root 98. So the next three digits are three terms are root 50, root 72 and root 98. Now let us find the next one. Root 3, comma, root 6, comma, root 9, root 12 and so on. First let us find the difference, whether the difference is common or not. A2 minus A1 equal to, second term is root 6 minus first term is root 3. Here we cannot subtract these two numbers because they are unlike surds. Here the numbers which are having the root are called as surds. The numbers having the root are called as surds, and the number which is inside the root is called as radicand. To add the surds, we have to have the like surds, means the radicand and the root must be same. If they have the same root and same radicand, then only we can add. In the previous example, they were having the same radicand as 2 and also they were having the same root. So we are able to add and subtract. But in this example, they are having the different radicands, so we cannot subtract them. So root 2, root 6 minus root 3 cannot be subtracted. We have to put them as it is. Now third term minus second term will be equal to, third term is root 9 minus second term is root 6. Here also we cannot subtract these two because they are having the different radicand. We cannot subtract. Here clearly the common difference is not same. Hence the given set of numbers, hence the given list of numbers does not form an AP. Does not form an AP. Now let us see the next one. 14th one. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square and etc. First let us find the difference. A2 minus A1 equal to, second term is 3 square minus first term is 1 square. 3 square is 9 minus 1 square is 1, we get plus 8. Now A3 minus A2 equal to, third term is 5 square minus second term is 3 square, which is equal to 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9. After subtracting we get 16. Here the difference is not common, therefore given list of numbers does not form an AP. Now let us find the last one, 15th one. 1 square, 5 square, 7 square and 73 square. Sorry, this is only 73. There is no square here. Now first let us find the difference. A2 minus A1 equal to, second term is 5 square minus first term is 1 square, which is equal to 5 square is 25 minus 1 square is 1, which is equal to 24. Now A3 minus A2 will be equal to, third term is 7 square minus second term is 5 square. 7 square is 49 minus 5 square is 25. We have to subtract 49 minus 25. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So the difference is 24. Again the next one, a4 minus a3 equal to, fourth term is 73 minus third term is 7 square equal to 73 minus 7 square is 49. Let us subtract 73 minus 49. Here we have to take a carry. 13 minus 9 is 4. The 6 will be remaining. 6 minus 4 is 2. We got the same difference. Hence the given set of numbers form an AP. Therefore, given list of numbers form an AP. And also common difference. Common difference D is equal to 24. And also we have to write the next three terms. Next three terms are we have to add 24 to the preceding numbers. Okay, 73 plus 24 we get 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So the next digit is next term is 97. After 97 we get, again add 24 to 97. 7 plus 4 is 11. This is 12. The next term will be 121. Again add 24. We get 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. 145. So the next three terms are 97, 121 and 145. Like this, we have to identify whether they are having the common difference or not. If they are having the common difference, then the given set of numbers form an AP. If they are not having the common difference, then they does not form an AP. In this way, we can answer these questions. We shall see the next questions in the next video.